Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a DoorDash promo code that helped me save a significant amount of money on my DoorDash order, completely free. If you're looking for the latest DoorDash promo codes, discounts, or coupons, make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. How do you get the DoorDash promo code? It's very simple and only takes a minute. First, grab your mobile phone. It doesn't matter whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Next, click on the website link in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type DoorDash. Click on the result, scroll down, and you'll see a list of available DoorDash promo codes and coupons. Tap the Show Coupon button to reveal your promo code. Keep in mind that these promo codes are limited and in high demand, so you'll need to unlock your personal DoorDash promo code to make sure no one else uses it before you do. If you want step-by-step instructions and direct access, check out the pinned comment below, where I explain exactly how and where to get your DoorDash promo code.